So in order to be able to display data in these text boxes, we need to know what record that we're looking at. And so for example, if I click on this Washburn, then this is the product ID 5, and so I need to grab the that record from the record set and display those values in here. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing is that you need to grab that product ID from the posted edit button. So if you recall, if we go back to the index file and then just look at that edit button, then what we're doing here is we're sending in as a hidden value the product ID. And this little bit right here, this is already in the add product file, and this is what's providing the list of categories and category IDs for the pull down menu. So we're just going to leave that there. Now what we want to do is write the SQL code to select from the products where the product ID is equal to that product ID that was passed in through the post. This line takes those results and puts them into an array, and then remember that the fetch allows us to just get the one record. So it's basically one row in the results set. And then what I'm doing is I'm defining these values. Now you don't have to do that. If you wanted to, you could use this code later on, but I think it's easier if you define them up on the top. Now the code for the page, what I would recommend is that the first time, after you do all of this stuff up here, go ahead and put in a little echo statement to make sure that you're getting the proper product ID, and then maybe echo out one of those variables just to make sure that you're getting the right values. Now in the form, I'm going to skip the pull down for now. But in the form, all you need to do is add a value equals, and remember that all of these values are surrounded by double quotes, and then you're going to just have a little PHP echo to spit out the value. That's what puts that value into the text box. So after you get to this point, test it and make sure everything's working properly. The first time that I did this, I forgot to put those single quotes in here and nothing worked, so it took me a little while to figure that out. But the echo statements can help a lot with that.